So I'll show you what I'm doing here. Putting together a little project with some berry hydrants. And we got, this may be a little bit sideways here, I don't know, but what I like to do is put in a valve ahead of the berry hydrant, and I bent the handle on the valve so it'll fit inside a piece of 3-inch pipe, and I'll show you here in a little bit how exactly that works. But I really like this PEX pipe. This stuff is nice, but I got a tool made to reach down in there and turn this, so we're gonna put this one inside this shed, and I'll put a T-post in here to hold that up steady here in a minute. And this is the third hydrant I've done. You can see one over there, and another one up by the closer to the house. But anyway, we'll put this together here, and might be kind of a booger because my crimper won't fit down in the ditch. I may have to pull it up to the top, but anyway, I'll show you some more of this project here in a minute. But didn't bring a GoPro, just using the phone, so okay. Yeah, I need to cut this one off. I made this a little long. This stuff's so easy to work with. You just ouch, that hurts. Basically, you just cut it length and crimp it. It's a little bit stiff to work with sometimes, but beats the heck out of PVC though. This stuff is way tougher than PVC. Okay, so now we'll get my T-post set in there and tie that up, and it'll be good to go. I think I got all my crimping done here. I've still got to make a tie-in out by the water main, but where it comes out of the meter. But we'll do that here in a minute. But anyway, water for the llamas. So this is how I do my valve, my little valve box. I just cut a V groove in a piece of 3-inch, and you see I got my handle bent, so that 3-inch, I got it grooved so it sets down over the pipe so it centers up, and even the rings will kind of keep it centered, and just leave it a little bit above the ground, a couple of inches, and put just a rubber cap on it, and then be easy maintenance on it. If you need to turn the hydrant goes bad or starts leaking, you can just turn it off here, and just makes it simple. So this is kind of what it ended up being. I came in under the fence over there, and I came down, put a hydrant by them orange tubs and a valve, and then another hydrant here. We teed off and just kind of back dragging, cleaning things up a little bit now. Kind of tight quarters where we're working, and then the other one's under the barn. There's no, they're not going to put a floor in the barn or anything, so they wanted to put a water trough inside. They will actually stay a little warmer inside a barn, and you don't have to break ice as much in the winter time. So, but anyway, that's just kind of the little overview of the project. I didn't get any footage of me digging or anything like that. It wasn't nothing. It's just ditches. I mean, nothing special. They weren't even actually very straight, so I can't put that on camera. I I gotta maintain my my standards, you know. But anyway, something like that. But it's customers happy. This is a nice little one-day project. Well, I didn't actually get started till about 1 o'clock, and put in almost 300 feet of pipe. I went down right next to the fence in the alley. I had to stay as tight to the fence as I could, and I think we're okay on that. I haven't heard anybody complaining yet, but their fence is not right on the property line, so there's a little bit of room in there. But anyway, they're going to be getting some llamas out here, so at least that's the plan. So I'm going to pull around. I've got a little bit to cover up in the alley where I made my tie-in, and I'll be ready to go home. So here's where I made my tie-in. I put a valve there and ran down close to this fence. I did not cut the phone line. That's an old one. Luckily I didn't cut it. But anyway, I'm not a landscaper. Ran down here, tucked under the fence, caught a hydrant there, one there and one in the barn. So I may touch this up a little bit tomorrow, but I am done for the day.